Hi everyone, welcome to Father Shops. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Facebook Pixel on your Father Shop store using Google Tag Manager. Before we start, just a quick note. You can create a conversion tracking for any page on your website using this method, whether it is a product page or add to cart or custom event. But in this tutorial, we'll focus on the two most important pages for any e-commerce business, and which are checkout page to track people who initiate checkout, and second, complete purchase page to track people who successfully make a purchase. So let's begin. First of all, you need to log into your Facebook account, the same account from which you run your Facebook and Instagram ads. Now head over to Business Manager from the left hand menu and click on All Tools option. After this, select Events Manager. Here you will manage your pixels under the Data Sources section. If you have already created a pixel before, you will find it listed here, but if you don't have one, so what you can do, you can go to this Connect Data Sources option. Choose web because we are working with a website. Then give a name to your pixel, follow the prompts, and your pixel will be created easily. So for this video, I'm going to use one of the existing pixels. So we are not installing the pixel directly from Facebook here. We will do it manually using Google Tag Manager for more control and flexibility. So what you need to do next, you need to connect this pixel to your Father Shop store. So now let's connect this pixel to your Father Shop store. For that, you need to go to your Father Shop dashboard. From the left menu, click on Apps. On the top navigation, select Marketing. Look for the Facebook Pixel app and click on it. Paste your Pixel ID in the field. Enable the pixel and click Save. And that's it. Your website is now connected to your pixel. Now let's move to Google Tag Manager to set up conversion tracking. Open your Google Tag Manager. Select the right GTM container for your website. So we'll first ensure everything is ready to support Facebook pixel tracking inside GTM. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to the templates option from the left menu, click on search gallery, and here in the search bar, type Facebook pixel, select the Facebook pixel and click on add to workspace. Confirm by clicking add. Using a template ensures that all the required scripts and triggers are correctly structured and ready to use without writing a single line of code. Next, we'll enable the relevant variables. Go to the variable section, enable the built-in variables like page URL, page path, click ID. So this will help in identifying specific pages or actions for conversion tracking. Just check the boxes next to any variable that are unchecked. Let's now define when the Facebook pixel should fire. So we'll set up two triggers, one for the checkout page and one for the thank you page, which is your purchase complete. Go to the triggers on the left side, click on new, name this trigger as initiate checkout. For the trigger type, choose DOM ready. So why DOM ready? DOM ready ensures the entire HTML structure of the page is loaded before the tag fires. It is more stable and reliable than page view, which might trigger too early before all the elements are available. So choose DOM ready. After that, choose some DOM ready events. Set the conditions like page URL contains and your URL in this section or whatever is your checkout URL path is. Click on save, and that's it. Your initiate checkout trigger is created. So next we'll create a trigger for the purchase complete. Repeat the step above. Go to new option. Name the trigger as purchase complete. Choose DOM ready again. Use conditions. Page URL contain whatever is your URL. Just put it here and save the trigger. So your triggers are ready for both the pages. Next, we're going to create Facebook pixel tags. We'll link the triggers with the pixel tags. Go to the tags option from the left menu. Click on new. Then name it. You can name it as Facebook initiate checkout. Choose your tag type. Choose Facebook pixel from the template you added earlier. Enter your pixel ID here. Choose event name from this drop down as initiate checkout. Below in the trigger section, select initiate checkout and click on save. For the complete purchase, same process you have to follow. Just click on new option, name it as Facebook complete purchase. Then click here, go to search bar, type Facebook pixel, click on it, enter same pixel ID, choose event name. Now in the trigger section, select purchase complete and click on save. And that's it. You have now successfully set up Facebook pixel tracking on your Father Shop store using Google Tag Manager without writing a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.